actually at the beach area right now. Unfortunately, because of COVID-19, there's so many posts everywhere saying that, you know, bathing is actually prohibited. They don't allow people to swim right now. But the view is to die for. You can actually go for camping in here. There's a lot of cabins everywhere. So one side of the lake is just trees and camping sites, cabins. There's so many picnic areas and grills everywhere that you can actually enjoy during the daytime. But it's super pretty here. Let me show you how the water looks like. Oops. Look guys, isn't that pretty? Oh my god, this view is to freaking die for. Day 2, we're gonna go to Massachusetts. We're gonna go see Bish Bash Falls.